5 delivers smart collaboration,
where every room becomes a bridge, not a barrier. Let's build seamless connections, starting today.
We are writing the future together.
In a world where connection defines success,